In this video, we'll show you how to wash your car the right way to achieve a showroom shine without scratching the paint. Most swirl marks come from improper washing techniques, but with a few simple steps, you can keep your car looking brand new. You'll need 2 buckets, a dedicated car wash soap, a microfiber wash mitt, and a large microfiber drying towel. For the wheels, grab a separate sponge and a wheel cleaner. Avoid using dish soap, as it strips away the protective wax and dries out the rubber seals on your vehicle. Start with the wheels and tires while the rest of the car is dry. This prevents brake dust and grime from splashing onto your clean paint later. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner and a separate sponge to scrub the rims and sidewalls. Rinse them thoroughly before moving on to the body of the car. This is the secret to a scratch-free finish. Fill 1 bucket with water and car soap, and the second bucket with plain rinse water. Dip your wash mitt into the soapy water, wash a section of the car, and then rinse the dirt off the mitt in the plain water bucket before soapy it up again. This ensures you aren't rubbing trapped grit back onto your paint. Rinse the entire car with a hose to remove loose dirt. Start washing from the roof and work your way down to the bumpers. By starting at the top, the soapy water flows downward, pre-soaking the dirtier lower panels. Wash in straight lines rather than circles to minimize the visibility of any potential micro-scratches. Rinse the soap off the car using a gentle stream of water from the hose. To prevent water spots, dry the car immediately using a large, clean microfiber drying towel. Lay the towel flat across the surface and pull it toward you to soak up the moisture without needing to scrub the paint. Once the car is dry, check for any mist spots or stubborn bugs. For the best results, apply a quick spray wax or ceramic detailer to add a layer of protection and a deep gloss. This makes the next wash even easier because dirt won't stick as easily to the surface. To keep your car's clear coat healthy, aim to wash it every 2 weeks. Regular washing removes bird droppings and road salt that can eat through your paint if left for too long. With these simple steps, your car will stay clean, shiny, and protected from the elements. A little bit of care goes a long way in maintaining your vehicle's value. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.